the Rubik's Cube. This is my Rubik's Cube, but is in a box, a bubble box. So let's get our black Rubik's Cube. This is my black Rubik's Cube. Let's go. One, two, three, go. Boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, oh. Boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, oh. Boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, oh. Boom shakalaka boom shakalaka boom boom shakalaka boom shakalaka boom boom shakalaka boom shakalaka boom shakalaka boom shakalaka boom shakalaka boom shakalaka boom. I didn't use this trick anymore. This is the easiest trick for me. That's why I didn't use this trick because it's probably is next. This 2x2. This. Are you about 2x2? And 2x2. Let's scramble it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Sama. I will put a Rubik's Cube sign here. I will put a design this Rubik's Cube box bubbles. So you know this is the bubbles. No, this is the Rubik's Cube. Bye bye.